Clean race. Here we go. Cole's going to lead lap one, followed by Steve and Jerry. Steve-O rolls it over. Cole out front, Steve-O into two spot, Jerry into three. We've got 3:45 to go. Cole turned the fast lap of the heat. That time by 14.2, 14.5 for Steve, 14.5 for Jerry. Steve closing back up on the back of Cole. We've got 3:20 to go. Steve rolled it over. Jerry on his back bumper now. 2 down, 3 to go. Cole, Steve, Jerry. Less than 2 seconds from first to third. Steve's going to take the top spot away. Jerry in it too. Oh, good sportsmanship. Thanks, guys. I'm totally using that in the VTA A-main. Cole out front. Steve in the 2, Jerry in the 3. Steve gets by Cole. Cole closing back in on the back of him. 1, 2, and 3 all running right together. Cole with a good get through the chicane. Steve a little faster down the straight. Just under 2 minutes to go. Steve-O out front. Cole turned to 14.0 that time by his fast lap. Steve has the hot lap of a 13.8. Excellent shot through the chicane for Cole. Steve out front, 1.1 seconds up on Cole and Jerry. Jerry turned a 14.0 last time by. Just under a minute to go. Good sweeper. .30 seconds to go. E-Buggy A-Main up next. E-Buggy A-Main up next. .15 seconds to go. This is going to be the final lap as they cross the line with 10 to go. Oh, Cole through the chicane, good. 5 seconds left. It's going to be a race back to the line. Oh no! Go, go, go! That is time done when you hit the line. Awesome race, gentlemen.